I'm sharing with you how to make another Christmas ornament. I guess a lot of people like me to make ornaments, so it keep requesting me. And it's good because I have a lot of fabric that I want to get rid of. My museum of fabric here. So for this ornament, I'm using the two different color fabric. You can do whatever you like. And I'm using the pentagon shape that I have cut here. I will share with you in my description so you can print it out and use it. So I'm gonna place it on the fabric. When I place in the fabric, I just want to make sure all around that I have extra ½ inch. So that for my seam allowance. Iron the interfacing on the fabric. Make sure when you iron the interfacing, use low heat, because if you use a high heat, it's going to ruin your interfacing and also the fabric too. So go around and see if you have it already in the fabric. And so now go ahead and cut ½ inch all around here. Also, when you're done, you're going to trace on this one and cut another one, so you get two. After you cut the red one, take this out and then follow this and cut another one out on the different fabric. So everyone, after I cut two, and you place the right side to the right side, interfacing side out, and you place it everything together. You can pin all around. So follow the interfacing and sew. You're gonna sew from here all the way, so all the way, follow this line, the white line, that's the interfacing, to here and stop. Leave about 2 inches right in here so you can inside out after. So everyone, after I sew all around and this area, when we left in 2 inches right here, don't do anything on that side, but around the other side, you go ahead and trim. That's why I like to leave longer, like bigger on the side. ½ inch is very good. And then on this corner right here, you just do this. As long as you don't cut it too close over here, then it should be fine. And then you do this. So when you inside out, it's lying down like this for you. It make it easier. Remember this, you have to make in 2 different fabric. It'll show more. Alright, and then after that, you go ahead and inside out. I like to put the interfacing in there because it's going to form the ornament better. Some people tell me like they have so many fabrics and they don't know what to do. I say me either. Oh my goodness. I love making the fabric ornament too. Sometimes that you can leave it there and then you can reuse it over time. With my chopstick. After Christmas, it will be my new year. So I will be busy. Now go ahead and iron. When you sew with the interfacing, when you inside out, you see how it line up. You don't need to turn and press on the side or anything. Iron both sides. Okay, so everyone, after that, I want to show the red one for the star, and I want to do this on the outer line. This is very simple. You can see the pentagon have 5 sides. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sometimes I miscount. I'm gonna fold each side in half. like this, and then you can mark this one, mark, you can do this many of them and then hang it up in the tree. So now on each, you take in one middle side from the next middle one, then you fold it in. Make sure when you fold it in, it's like this. You iron it. If you don't want to use interfacing, that's fine. Okay, so now the next one, you get that corners right here and then the middle of the next one. Fold it in. Iron this down. Kid can do this with the paper. Now we have two corners, and then this one and the next one. Hold your finger right there, and all you need to do is just flap it in. Now the next one is right here, the one that we just did, and then to the next one. Isn't that so pretty? And it's easy to make the star this way. Like that. Too funny, we went to shopping yesterday and I saw the pregnant lady, and I said to the boy, and I say, you want to have baby brother or sister? They say, no thank you. I say, why? And they say, it's because both of us is a lot of work for you. Okay, everyone, look at that. How beautiful. It is so easy to make, isn't it? Just a few steps. So for this, if you want to sew this corner into here, that's fine. But this is like to hang in the tree. I'm going to use the hot glue gun and do that. So when you buy a Dollar Tree stuff and it's the hole is small, go ahead and get something bigger and then drill the hole. I got this too at the Dollar Tree. See, it goes through. Ta-da! Nothing that give me a hard time. I try. I have patience. So, okay, so I get one in, and I get the red one. All this pearl you can purchase from a Dollar Tree, and this string too, Dollar Tree. You have to have patience to do something like that. Okay, and then it goes through here. You see, very simple. Nothing bother me. I'm gonna go ahead and go right into this corner. Place this in. Okay, and then move this up. Add a little glue right at the pointy. Move this over and hold on to it. So that way, and now you move that down. So you move the bead down, and then you add the glue right there to hold everything in here for you. You can do this, everyone. You can go on the side, go like that, and then light it down. Hold on to it. Next one. Let's go with this. Go right on the side here. Remember, go away a quarter up and inch away from the side, because you don't want the, when you push it down like this, when you press it down like that, the glue gonna come out. You don't want that to happen. So go out a quarter up and inch like away from the fabric like this. Zoom it in so you can see. Okay, so like this, away from it, like that. Put it down gently. Gently put it down and then let go of this. You see how beautiful it is? So nice. And on this side, gently put it down, and basically that is I am finished, everyone. And look at the star, look at the string to it, match with it. So beautiful, so pretty. You can do this side is showing the red star, or you can show the candy cane star. Either way, look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please stay safe and take care. Continue to support my channel by like, share, and subscribe. Also turn your bell notification so when I upload the video you never miss any of my new video. Stay safe and take care, everyone. Love you all. Look at that. Very pretty.